Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can sell digital products with Canva website for free. So I will show you how you can create a store similar to this with a buy button that will redirect them to the checkout page. So open up your Canva and then go right here at the search box, right here at the middle, and we're going to search for a website template. So type right here website, and then here just need to click on this website, and then you will find all the website templates in Canva. So basically you can find some free templates. Now let's go and click on all filters. So basically you can change the category, change the style, the theme that you want, grade, subject, the topic, and the color that you want for your page. So basically I'm going to select for my digital product. So in this case, I'm going to select this templates, and then we have a bunch of templates here that we can choose from. So here I'm going to select this one here. So like a warm, neutral, experiment, design template. And then here click on customize this template. So you'll be directly to a editor. So basically here you can change or you can customize your own website. You can change the elements or you can add media or images for your page. So first I'm going to change the logo right from here. I'm going to the upload section. And here, for example, I'm going to add this logo, which is the GigaPress. So I'm going to put here at the top left hand corner of this page. Next, I'm going to change the header. So I'm going to delete the current header here and I will add a text. So as you can see here on text section, you will find all the text format that you can basically use. So simply drag and drop the text format that you want to use. So for example, here I'm going to use this design, so instant classic. So drag and drop right here. And then I'm going to resize it by dragging onto the corners and then click on the text, and I'm going to change it into like YouTube thumbnail design. Right, so you can type right here and then press enter, thumbnail design. And then you can also resize this one by simply clicking on this button. So as you can see, so depending on your preference, you can change the design that you want. So in this case, I'm going to delete this classic word, and then I'm going again to resize it. So there you have it. Now we can add a buy now button. So first up, we're going to add a shape. So basically you can go to elements section and then go here and find the shape. So you can basically delete all the unnecessary elements from this website. So just click on the delete button and then just put the button right here. And then we're going to add a text. So basically this one here is buy now. So I'm going to type here buy now. So every time they basically click on this buy now button, they will directly go to checkout page, and later I'll show you how to create that checkout page. So simply drag it right over here and make it centered. Right, so once you've created this button, the next option that we can do, or next step, is by going to the other page. So here you can basically add some images here. So all you need to do here, you can just click on the image or go to upload section at the left side of your screen, and you can basically add some image, or you can go to elements and type right here, for example, thumbnails, and you can go to photo section and we can drag and drop that image here. So this is just an example. So basically this is how you can add that image, and then we can put right over here. For example, you want a Photoshop logo. So I was just going to type right here and then simply select on the photo section and then find that Photoshop logo right over there. And you can also customize it by double clicking it. and then dragging it to show it like this. And then we can just delete all the unnecessary page that we don't actually use. So you can click on the trash bin icon right here at the left side of your screen. Right, so as you can see, we've just created this design or website design using Canva. So next step that we can do here, we're going to create a checkout page. So to do that, we can now use or going to a new page here, and we're going to a website called payhip.com. So as you can see, here is the website: sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platform. So here you can just going to get it started for free. So you can enter your email address. So you can also see the pricing right over here. And then get started with a free account. You can write down your first name, last name, email address, and password. Right, so here tell us a little about yourself. So you're going to put here your store name. So for example, Quick How to Shop. And click on continue. What would you like your store username to be? So it's like Quick How to Shop and or Quick How to YT. So as you can see the link right here, and then press continue, and you'll be directly go to the main dashboard of PayHip. So here you have a section, store essentials, and then we can go here and add your first product. So basically here you can complete all the details. So click on the digital product. So we're going to sell digital products. And then here we're going to complete the details about this product. So you can upload product file, the title, for example, and going to type right here like thumbnail design. And then go to the price. So it will be like $5 per thumbnail. You can upload the product image, and then you can also add some description, and you can select the visibility, or you can add a product. So before that, we can basically go back to Canva, and we're going to create a simple image or simple design. So go back to Canva, and then here go to create a design, go to custom size, and type here the width is 1920 by 1080p, and then click on create new design. So you'll be redirected to another page. So basically we're going to select a random template right over here. So you can choose any of the free templates. So in this case, you can just drag and drop. You just select this one. Or if you don't want this kind of template, then you can basically select any of the templates right here. So for example, we can drag and drop just like this and replace to the current page. So there you go. Now if you have this one, just click on the share button at the top right hand corner. And then once you click on the share button, click on the download button right here, and then select the file type to PNG and click on download. Okay, so once you've done downloading this PNG file, you just need to go back to the page. And from here, we're going to upload the product image. So for example, this one here. And then we can also upload the product file. So for example, and then once done, you can now go back to the button here, add product button. And then here you will find your URL link. So as you can see, you can copy this URL link. And then if you're going to add a new tab, and then paste that here on the search box, and here you will find your checkout page. So as you can see, the product image and the product title here and the price. So now we have the checkout page. We're going to add a payment details. So go back to PayHip, and then from here you want to go and click on account at the top right hand corner and select on settings. So here in settings, as you can see, you have a lot of options that you can basically choose. So here we have the store, payment details, billing, invoices, taxes, shipping, advanced settings, login settings, and developer. So in this case, I'm going to click on payment details, and you can link your PayPal or Stripe account. So once you've done linking in your PayPal or Stripe account, going back to your checkout page, and you can basically add that to your page. So as you can see, you'll find the payment method here on the payment section. Now going back to the page, we're going to link that checkout page into your buy now button. So click this buy now button right here, then click on the three dots, then click on link. So from here, you can paste the link right here, right? And then click on done. So there you go. So as you can see, we have just created this website with a buy now button. Then if they're going to click on the buy now button, they will definitely go to a checkout page. So for example, this one here, and then we're going to click on the buy now button, and you'll be redirected into the checkout page. So that's how you basically create a store using the Canva for free, and then you can basically sell any of your digital products using this website with a checkout page. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.